Xiaomi's HyperOS phones don't have Google Play Store, so I'm uploading this video for friends who don't know how to install and use it. I would like to tell you how to do it in detail, so watch the video carefully until the end. To find out the phone's Android version and other details, we will go into the phone's settings and check. This phone is Android 14 version. If you know this, it will be easier to do. To download the Google Play Store application, enter the browser app. Click on Agree. Since it's in Chinese, to go to the Google website, write www.google.com. If it appears like this, you can use the browser conveniently. You have to find the Google Play Store app for Android 14 here. You can find the latest version of Google Play Store and download it. You can click on the links that appear here and download from the link that is convenient for you. I will choose this link. Choose the latest version. If something like this appears, wait a moment and it will appear to download. Okay, then click this button and you are ready to download. Tap to view to check the download. So you have already downloaded the Google Play Store application on your phone. After downloading, you have to install it. I'm going to go through these quickly. If you select Update, it's fine. The Google Play Store app has appeared on your phone, but you don't want to use it yet. There is still one thing left to do. Let's continue. Go to Settings and search for Basic. It will appear as Basic Google Service. The button next to Basic Google Service cannot be disabled. If it is disabled, you need to turn it on. Okay, after this is done, enter the Google Play Store app, add your Gmail account, and you can use it. I hope this video will help you a lot. I want to meet again in more videos. See you, bye.